Welcome to Auto Experience. Today we're diving into the details of the 2025 Honda Accord, a midsize sedan that continues to set standards in its class with a perfect balance of performance, technology, and design. The 2025 Accord brings subtle design updates, enhanced features, and improved efficiency to further refine what has already been a popular choice for families and driving enthusiasts alike. The exterior of the 2025 Honda Accord maintains its sleek and modern profile, with some refined touches to the front grille, LED headlights, and taillight design. The car stands on newly designed alloy wheels, giving it a more athletic stance. Available trims include the LX, X, Sport, Sport L, XL, and the top-of-the-line Touring Hybrid, providing a wide range of options for different driver preferences. Under the hood, the 2025 Accord continues with two engine options. The base trims come with a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that delivers 192 horsepower, providing smooth acceleration and excellent fuel economy. The higher trims offer a 2.0-liter hybrid powertrain that produces a combined 204 horsepower. The hybrid models are especially appealing for those who want both power and efficiency, with an estimated fuel economy of around 48 miles per gallon in combined driving. Inside the cabin, the Accord offers a refined and spacious interior with high-quality materials and an intuitive layout. A new 12.3-inch touchscreen display is standard on most trims, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. The Touring Hybrid trim includes Google built-in features, including Google Maps, Google Assistant, and access to the Play Store, which adds to the overall tech-forward experience. Comfort features include dual-zone automatic climate control, a power-adjustable driver's seat, heated and ventilated front seats in higher trims, and a premium audio system on select models. Rear passengers enjoy ample legroom and a comfortable seating angle, making the Accord a strong option for long drives or daily commutes. Safety has always been a priority for Honda, and the 2025 Accord continues with the Honda Sensing suite of safety technologies. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, traffic sign recognition, and more. The Touring Hybrid also adds a head-up display and low-speed braking control for added convenience and peace of mind. With its impressive blend of style, performance, comfort, and advanced technology, the 2025 Honda Accord remains one of the top choices in the midsize sedan category. Whether you're looking for a reliable daily driver or a comfortable and efficient family car, the new Accord has something to offer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Auto Experience for more updates on the latest cars, reviews, and comparisons.